featuring the Excalibur Solid Aluminum Threshold. The Excalibur Threshold is designed for industrial, overhead, and entry door applications. This unique design of threshold is made with solid aluminum to withstand extreme weight and excessive traffic conditions. The threshold also features a top V-groove design for skid-proof protection and improves tire traction for warehouse applications, as well as wire access port for easy installations of sensors or security wires. The Excalibur Solid Aluminum Threshold comes in 4-inch and 6-inch widths, both half-inch tall, and lengths of 8 feet 2 inches, 10 feet 2 inches, 12 feet 4 inches, and 16 feet 4-inch lengths. We're known for our weather seal, but we offer a whole lot more. We have every part for every door.